We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet M234sdwe. So the first step, you want to go ahead and open your scanner part, and then next you want to get your glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Alright, so you're going to put it directly on the cloth. And then go ahead and just start gently cleaning it. Sometimes there might be pin or whiteout marks on the glass, so you might need to clean it more than once. If you're having more like defects and quality issues when you're using this part of the printer, you want to focus on the little strip of glass right here. But if you're having more issues when you're using the bigger piece, of course you want to focus on that. Alright, so you've successfully cleaned your scanner glass. If you still see some defects, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. Thanks for watching our video, guys, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.